Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link social media with your YouTube channel. Okay, let's go to the video. First, go to youtube.com, then click on your channel icon, then click on your channel, then click on customize channel. And click on basic info, then scroll down. Here you can see links. Add links to sites you want to share with your viewers. Here click on add link, then you can see here link title, it's required, then URL required. Okay, first I'm going to link my Facebook page to my YouTube channel. Here I put as Facebook link title, then I put my YouTube Facebook page URL, copy, then paste. Okay, then I add another link, add link, then Instagram, then I click my Instagram link, copy, then paste here, then again click on add link, then I link my Twitter. Then paste. Okay, then also here is a link on banners. Indicate which link you would like to display on the banner of your channel homepage. You can add several links. Then here it asks how many links you should do you want to show on your banner. Here I put 5, maximum 5. It has none or first link, first 2 links, or up to maximum first 5 links. I put as 5, then click on publish. Okay, now let's go to the channel view. Okay, now you can see here on the banner right side bottom Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Here you can see your social media icons on your YouTube channel banner. Also you can find your links here on the about tab. Click on the about tab, scroll down. Here you can see under links Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. I think you got the idea about how to do that. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.